Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the mind maps and the softwares which are used to create mind maps. Mind maps are very important tool to organize, present and remember information in an interesting way. So today we'll learn about how to create mind maps using software. So today we'll learn about Coggle. Coggle is a software which is used to create different types of mind maps. So what you have to do to use Coggle, you have to type Coggle in your Google browser. Okay, you will search about it and then you have to, this type of screen would appear and you have to click on this Coggle. You can log in if you have an account, otherwise you can sign in with Google, you can sign in with Microsoft, you can sign in with Apple as well. So what you have to do, you have to choose any of these options. So I am signing it with my Google account. Okay. So after this, I will click on this create diagram. Now when I click on this create diagram, it will open this type of window. Okay. Now let's create a diagram. What you have to do, you have to click on this to write the topic on which you want to create mind maps. So I want to create a mind map on emerging challenges of HRM. Now with this I can format the text. I can link to a website as well. I can upload an image if I want to upload an image, and I can search for icons as well. Okay. Now I can also drag to change the text size. I can reduce the size as well as I can increase the size by dragging it. Okay, so I am reducing the size. Okay, now after this, when I click on, in order to add the branch, I have to click on this plus sign. So this first branch has been added, one more branch and one more branch. I have added 4 branches. I can add as many branches as I want to add by clicking on this plus sign. Okay. Now moving further, if I want to add the subtopic to it, I will click on that branch and I will be able to add the text. So I am adding first challenge, first topic. Okay, similarly the same options are available with me. Now in this technological changes. Yes, if I have clicked on this, I have added one more branch. So what I have to do, I have to delete it. If I want to delete it, I have to right click on it and I have to click on cross sign to delete it. Okay, now I have to, if I want to add the text, I have to put a left click on that. Okay, now in this I'm adding one more challenge of HRM. Maybe that challenge is downsizing. Okay, so these are the 4 challenges I have added. You can add more challenges and more branches by clicking on the plus sign.